I am Pratiksha Bachate. Today's my topic is mutual speeds, that is MP neuron. MP neuron, mutual speeds neuron, that is the mankind of first mathematical model of that biological neuron. That is proposed a highly simplified computational model of the neuron in the year of 1943. It takes the input and output as a binary or boolean value. Uh, so that MP neuron is also called as boolean neuron. Then MP neuron how works? Uh, First, it will take the input as a x1, x2, and it is divided into the two parts. That is, first one is a g. It takes the input and performs some aggregation function. That is aggregated value. And second one is the f. It makes the decision for that function. Then the last one is goes to the y, that is output of that MP neuron, either 0 or 1. The weighted sum is also excitatory weight or inhibitory weight. Excitatory weight means it have some positive value, and inhibitory weight means it have some negative value. The activation function of MP neuron, that is the first calculate the neuron MP neuron of that sum of multiple of their respective weight, means it is calculated weighted sum. Then the threshold value is given that, and using that threshold value take the decision, means if the WIXI is the formula, then the first activation function rule is there. The sum of weighted input is greater than or equal to the threshold value, then the neuron is fire, means the output is 1, and the otherwise it does not fire, means output is 0. One example one example is C, that is the implementing using the AND gate. Truth table of that right hand side, 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 1 1 1. There is a first step is input, that is x1 and x2 are the input. It takes the 0 or 1. And second is a weight, that is w1 and w2, that is equal to 1, means it is a excitatory weight, means it takes the positive value. Then third step is the threshold, means it is a theta value, that is 2. Then check the our condition for that four cases. First case is x1 and x2 both value are 0. Then use that formula x1 into w1 plus x2 into w2, that is value is 0, that is less than 2, means output is 0, means our neuron is not fire. Then second case is x1 and x2 1 and 0 value. Then use that formula, and our value is 1, that is the also less than threshold value 2. Then the neuron is not fire and output is 0. Then case 3, x1 and x2 value 0 and 1 value, that is the input, means use this formula x1 into w1 plus x2 into w2, that is the value of 1. Then our threshold value is less than 1. 1 is less than threshold value 2, that is output is 0, means neuron is not fire. Then case 4 is x1 and x2, that is the both value are 1. Then calculate that weighted sum, that is 2. Then it is the greater than or equal to 2, means threshold value. Then neuron is fire and output become 1, means our all the cases are should be correctly implemented using that AND gate truth table. That is the our implementing AND gate using the MP neuron is correctly successfully implemented. Thank you.